Good morning, this is Shirley from Alaska, the Herb Lady. Now we got one that, this is orange oil. A lot of people like it. It really smells good. And one lady that introduced me to it, at first I didn't have it in the shop, and then I got it into the shop because she kept on asking for it. She was a registered nurse. She had been one for over 50 years, and she used it as a deodorant. And she would tell me, she said, that her people, if she wasn't there that day, they'd say, "Where's the orange lady? Where's the orange lady?" And when I start reading about what the orange does, when she wears it, it really helped to perk the people up, and it makes them feel better. It uplifts them. I mean, it just does so much to help people. And all she has to do is come into the room, and they call her the orange lady. Okay, they don't let you do that now, but this was back, because you got to remember, I've been doing this for 30 years, but at the schools we used to use lemon, and they said, well, we can't diffuse it while the children, and I said, and that or lemongrass. And so I said, okay, diffuse it when you first get there, and as soon as before the first kid walks in, turn it off. And she did, but the teachers found out this one teacher was doing these oils, and what happened, every morning all the teachers would go to her room, and it would uplift them, if it was lemongrass or if it was orange or whatever it was. And all the teachers, they wanted it in their room too. So let's talk about orange. Orange is from the fruit peeling of sweet oranges, and is widely used in food, cosmetic, and perfume industrial. Orange oil is well known for its refreshing, energized, sweet scents, and often helps to uplift, brighten the mood, and ease feelings of stress. I read this one article, and it was so sad. It was in the health magazine that I get because I'm a health food store, and a boy had peeled his orange with his mouth, his teeth, and dropped dead. And what it is they had took the place that brought the oranges up, sprayed him with dye, and the dye poisoned him, and he died. And because a lot of times they pick the oranges, they're not pretty and orange, they're green. And when they pick them like that poor little boy, they said he was 8 years old. But I just thought that was so sad. They did autopsy, they couldn't find out what was wrong. And it was poison around his mouth from the orange he had peeled with his teeth. So that's why I tell people, some things if it looks fake, don't use it. Okay, science research indicates that orange oil is a mood enhancing, it's an antidepressant, anti-anxiety, stress relief. These is due to the presence of an oil that's in the orange. Clinics confirm it helps with the mood elevator. The clinic found that inhaling the orange results to reduce the need for antidepressant medication of 12 patients. Their depression just kind of completely went away, just smelling the orange. We can go like this, it's called whiffing. Patients inhaling orange oil exhibit their neurotransmitters of the brain, and it works with the central nervous system. And 2 clinical studies involved adult dental patients who was inhaling orange, a greater calmness, anxiety, more positive mood compared to control. The trial showed that the orange diffused in the air helps to take the stress away from the dental patients, and the reduction in saliva, cortisol, and pulse rate. In a clinic study of 40 healthy volunteers, it helps with anxiety when they inhaled the orange. Furthermore, a clinic trial with 100 pregnant ladies also demonstrated the inhaling of orange oil at childbirth reduced levels of anxiety, lowers the blood pressure, pulse rate, and greater degree of control. And by the orange oil shows that it helps with relaxation. For example, the inhaling orange oil is used for reduction of to the brain and to the emotional. And this one lady, she's got a couple of degrees underneath her belt besides being an herbalist. And she goes to this place there's 8 doctors that works at this place. And she has her own office there. And when they want something to use with oils, they call on her, and she goes in and helps the person with the oil, because she teaches about oils, so she knows about oils. And so these 8 doctors don't have to learn about oils, but because she's certified, she does it, and she's wrote a couple books on it, and it has really helped the doctors to not use hardly no medicine at all. They use oils, and they get more and more patients because they see it's all natural. So honestly, if you know what you're doing with the oils, it's just wonderful what it can do, even with babies and everything like that. Topical application of oil has been improved the mood, it relieves stress, and inhaling it, orange really smells great. And orange applied to an almond base helps to just breathe it in. What it does is it calms down your breathing rate, your pulse rate, and you just feel more vigorous, it said. And it helps with the brain barrel. It helps with dissolving in fat of oil. It helps with the body functions and your behavior. With stress and anxiety and mental health is on the rise, new animal research that orange oil has been helping for post-PTSD in humans, and a recent study conducted George Washington University found that inhaling oil produces an effective behavior response to stress and fear on PTSD, and it can work with the central nervous system, especially if it's inflamed. And research helps to confirm the orange oil in people with PTSD. Additional research of orange oil is antibacterial, antifungus, antioxidant, and has been shown it reduces stress even in animals. It kills Salmonella, MRSA, E. coli, 50% of the skin and soft tissues infection. Orange oil has been killed MRSA and the human skin cells, and it helps to get rid of that. Orange oil is beneficial topical on MRSA. Furthermore, orange oil has been shown to help with acne, the most common skin disease involving the bacteria inflammation. Orange oil is a natural antibacterial, anti-inflammation, helps with acne. I said put it in a gel base, 8 weeks. Orange oil reduces the lesions of 63 to 47% of control treatment. Orange oil brings peace, happiness to the mind, joy to the heart, even provides emotional support to overcome sadness. It helps cardiospasms, colds, complexion, dull or oily, constipation. It helps with digestive system, flu, insomnia, menopause, mouth ulcers, tissue repair, and water retention. It calms, anti-tumor. Orange oil stimulates circulation and aids digestion as a cosmetic. Orange oil can help maintain healthy, youthful skin, helps to boost collagen production, reduces skin puffiness to help reduce cellulite, blend 15 drops of orange oil and 4 drops of geranium and 4 drops of cinnamon and 3 tablespoons of, you can do aloe vera gel or either with almond oil. Just mix that together and put it over your whole body. Orange oil is thought to relieve tension, relax the body. It's used for respiratory, bronchitis, cold. It increases the immunity, your immune system to strengthen the entire body. It's used to aid digestion, nervous disorders, muscles, and joint aches. I hope you enjoyed to hear about orange. Orange has been around for a long time, and it's really good, but it smells good. And when you have it on, people just say, oh, it smells so good. So enjoy your orange.